In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project plan in Monday.com using templates. Whether you're new to Monday.com or just looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will help you get started with creating an effective project plan with ease. First, let's navigate to the section where we can access various templates. Begin by clicking on the plus icon, which you'll find on the left panel next to your current workspace name. This icon is your starting point for adding new elements to your workspace, and it opens up a host of features designed to make your project planning as seamless as possible. Once you do that, a menu will appear. From here, you want to click on the Template Center. The Template Center is a repository of dozens of useful templates tailored for different needs, making it an invaluable resource for anyone looking to get up and running quickly without starting completely from scratch. As you're directed to the Template Center, you will notice a variety of categories displayed on the left panel. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the one labeled Project Management. Click on it to unveil a curated list of project management templates. This category is particularly helpful because it's designed with project managers in mind, offering structured layouts and essential components to effectively manage projects right from the outset. Now, scroll through the available templates until you find one that fits your specific needs for a project plan. Monday.com provides a range of options, so whether you're tackling a marketing campaign, launching a new product, or managing day-to-day operations, there's something here for you. Carefully consider your project's requirements as you make your selection. Once you've found the perfect fit, click on Use Template. This simple action will load the template into your workspace. After the template has been successfully loaded, your new project management template is ready for customization. What you'll see is a pre-populated setup featuring placeholder data. This is essentially a guide to show you what kinds of information you might want to include. Your task now is to delete the placeholder data. Simply click into these fields and replace them with your own project details. Be as specific as possible to ensure that your project plan is detailed and actionable. And that's all there is to it. You've now created a project plan using a Monday.com template, customized it with your very own data, and laid the foundation for organized and efficient project management. With this streamlined process, you're well on your way to achieving your project goals confidently and efficiently. I hope this guide helps you maximize your productivity. Enjoy exploring the other features within Monday.com, and happy project planning.